talk about an auto company that is in focus, and we have Bajaj Auto that's in focus today after a Morgan Stanley note that has come in this morning. Shrishti, what are the details that we're getting in from this note from Morgan Stanley on Bajaj Auto? What is keeping the stock abuzz today?
Well, yes, a very positive note coming in from Morgan Stanley, where they have maintained the overweight rating on this particular counter with a target price of 6,229 rupees. After the recent move in this particular counter, they continue to stay bullish. And what they're highlighting is that the company is doing really great in terms of the demand, because the management is quite surprised with the demand that they have seen for some of the recent launches like Triumph, and the festive season sales has been really good. Other than that, onto the supply chain constraints, they have been working well and looking to expand across categories. So let's dive deep into that. What Morgan Stanley is highlighting is that all the 5 cylinders are firing. First up, the Triumph sales are ramping up better than they expected. The company is ramping up the production and the distribution of the Triumph to 10,000 per month. That's the plan going forward. And they see a strong ramp up of Chetak EV segment as well. There too, the production was a constraint, and going forward, they plan to ramp up to 20,000 per month by the end of Q3. And not just that, they are coming up with new products in the Chetak EV segment. The new model launch of the Chetak is planned next month, so that is something to look forward to. The domestic bikes in the 125cc plus segment, that has done pretty well, not just on a YTD basis, but this festive season as well, that has seen a jump of almost 20% in the sales. Other than that, the three-wheeler business, that has maintained its leadership, market share of over 80%. And the three-wheeler business growing well through its focus on the CNG as well as EVs. And lastly, they are highlighting that the exports is seeing a gradual move in the months, and the export is likely to reach 150 to 160k units per sales in the upcoming months. So all the 5 cylinders are firing for Bajaj Auto, and that's maybe what the investors are liking at this point in time.
Firing on all cylinders, Bajaj Auto, and not just that, as you pointed out, it's rest of the auto peers, the two-wheelers specifically, that are doing well.